Alright, we're back to Minecraft Season Edition. I'm trying to find what to. Not even. We actually found diamond. Alright, this is crazy. Oh, wow. I wish that was real though. I could keep digging in different places. That's crazy. First spot. Look. I'm gonna keep digging more there. See if I can find more torches. Just gonna take this one. Put it back. 8 pieces of diamond. 8 pieces. What? Just look in the corner. Look in the corner. It's right there. And just keep mining. This is crazy. What? 8? That's not really much. I had more than that before. Alright, I'll be back when I'm done mining all of this. Alright, what else? And I didn't get any more time, but found some iron. That's good. And as you see, I did finish doing that. That's a lot of iron. Let's see if I can get more iron than diamond. Yes, I can get more iron than diamond. Yes, still. Like, most likely I already have more iron. On the side. Wow. So pieces of iron, we got 14. Okay. Let's go get some weapons with that. I'm gonna cover those up someday. See what's down here. I'm gonna see what's down here later. Or comment down below if you want to see me go out one whole day and night without being at my house. One whole entire day and night. without dying. No, I didn't finish my enchanting room. And I didn't get an enchanting room. Because I didn't get an enchanting book yet. But we'll have it next episode. 2 o'clock today. May 8th, 2020. Put this code in. Exactly at 2. 192.168.0.41. Write that down. 192.168.0.41. Alright, got it. If you don't, too bad. Logs, torches, stuff in there. My painting room is good to be in here. I forgot about these little chicks. Did they get any eggs yet? Let's see. Don't get out. No, no. They're all getting out. No, no, no. Ooh. Dang it. There's chickens running around my house. Hiya. Hiya. Get back in. Oh, you little egg. Give me that. Get back in there. Go with your chicken friends. No! I did it again! No! Wow. It's gonna happen. The war is happening. Oh, I did it! I did it! Barely any came out. So what, like 50? Instead of just pushing them back and I will kill them. Don't want to, but gonna have to. Search my whole entire house. They just hide in a corner. Peekaboo. Not a view in here. Gotta double check everything. Chickens are smart. But the chickens. See, you in my chest room? Take my stuff, huh? Take any of my iron? That's good, my iron's almost done. See if that thing's sleeping on my bed. Iron. Wow, what's up, chicken? Let's throw them at you guys. You're getting lucky today, guys. Sort of. What's happening? I killed him. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill him. There's some snowballs at him. Ah, come on, kill him. Pew, 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 pew. Throwing chickens at you. Anyway, I have 4 minutes left of this video. All my videos are 15 minutes and 1 second. I will make a part 3. Wow. I hate groups. They're so loud and annoying. Well, no, I'm not gonna make a part 3. So I'm just gonna try to do this time, in this episode. Try to make my own farm real quick. It don't take long. Not even. Not even. It's not no joke. 64 pieces of diamond. Now that's some crazy stuff. That's mine. If you everybody like and subscribe, this video is going amazing. I don't even have to make a farm. This is mine. Yeah, that's mine. Even though it isn't, we're still taking it. Yes, I got it. Alright. Once I get back to my house, this video is going to end. Most likely. Yeah, this is my lava pit. And just throw stuff in there I want. And it'll just disappear. But I'll be getting rid of that soon. Throw that lava pit to another lava pit. I'm gonna take a stack out of one of these. Put it here. Then put it in